The peripheral nervous system, or PNS, is an extensive network of nerves that connects the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. While the central nervous system acts as the command center, processing information and making decisions, the peripheral nervous system serves as the messenger system, carrying information back and forth between the brain, spinal cord and organs, muscles, glands, and sensory receptors. Without this vital network, the central nervous system would be unable to communicate with the body, and our movements, sensations, and reflexes would be impossible. Every action we take, from lifting a finger to running a marathon, relies on the peripheral nervous system. Likewise, every sensation we feel, touch, temperature, pain, and pressure is transmitted through this system. Even automatic processes, like your heartbeat and breathing, depend on the PNS working seamlessly with the central nervous system. The PNS is composed of nerves that branch out from the brain and spinal cord. These include cranial nerves, which emerge from the brain and control critical functions, such as vision, hearing, facial expression, and taste. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves, each with a specialized role in connecting the brain to various sensory organs and muscles of the head and neck. In addition, there are spinal nerves, which branch from the spinal cord and extend to every part of the body. These spinal nerves carry signals for movement, sensation, and reflexes, forming a vital communication pathway between the central nervous system and the limbs, trunk, and organs. Functionally, the peripheral nervous system is divided into two main divisions: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Each division has distinct functions, but they operate together to ensure smooth, coordinated body function. Let's begin with the somatic nervous system. This division is responsible for voluntary actions, which are movements you consciously control. When you decide to walk, pick up a cup, or write a sentence, the somatic nervous system sends motor commands from the brain and spinal cord to skeletal muscles. These commands cause the muscles to contract in precise sequences, producing deliberate and coordinated movement. The somatic system doesn't just handle movement, it also deals with sensory input from the external environment. Sensory receptors in the skin, muscles, and joints detect touch, temperature,